Hi everyone, sore back because of barrels. If you use a trolley system, I know what you're going to say, get a van system, but that's not practical for everybody. It isn't for me actually. I've tried it, I've tried the hose reels and all that. I prefer a backpack even to a trolley system, but both trolley system and a backpack have one thing in common. That's the barrels can be too heavy, and I've done my back in twice. First time was really quite bad, and I still had to work after 1 week. So I'll give you a few tips of what I did also to avoid what happened to me. Now, one of the first things is this. You see the barrels over here, they're only 2/3 full. Okay, that's one thing. You might have to buy some more barrels, fair enough, but it makes it a lot lighter. Okay, always be careful when you lift the barrels. Always try to do it with just two hands like this and just bend your legs. So I have a habit of just jerking them up like this. See, I'm doing it again, and it hasn't been any good for me. When you pour a barrel, the best thing to do, try to bend your knees again, lift it straight up, just slam it straight into the backpack like that, and let the backpack take the weight, okay, just like that. And with that only being 2/3 full, it's so much easier. Another tip, if it gets that bad, you can use a big hose like this, and with the barrels actually in the vehicle, that'll be higher up than your trolley system, which will be on the ground. You can put that in the back into a barrel, okay, get it the wrong way around. I go in the barrel, suck on the other end, and the water will come pouring out and fill it up really fast. That's a bit tedious, but I got by with that for a while, which was no problem at all really. Okay, always try, if you can, to fill your barrels up in situ, you know, in the vehicle, in the back of your car or your van. Okay, but be careful, because if they overflow you could wreck your van. That's another one. Another tip, finally, if you fill your barrels up away from your vehicle, always try and use a trolley to take them to the vehicle. And again, try and adopt a stance like this, using both hands, and swing it into the back. Okay, so there's a few tips to be getting on with. That might save your back like it did with me. Okay, now I don't really have any problems. Now I've adopted all those tips. So again, something you can be getting on with. Job done.